it's your girl Jai.Lashay, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So in today's video, I'm gonna be giving y'all a 3-month. I'm trying to get out these shoes, baby. It's like 1 in the morning. I'm just not getting home. We had a little late date night. It wasn't even late. We left this month. We left here like 1 in the afternoon, like 1:20. Anyway, 3 months ago, I cut my hair into a bob, a blunt cut bob. I inserted some pictures or videos somewhere on the screen, and I'm just here to give y'all an update on how my hair went, because I cut my hair and told y'all I cut my hair, so why not come back on here and show y'all my 3-month update, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna spin around, let y'all see my hair and the length that it's grown to in the 3 months. And so then no one has to ask. I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys what I used, what I've been doing to my hair over the last 3 months, and anything else of that sort that you guys might think you may ask. So for shampoos, y'all know I'm going to try to make girl down real bad. I'll insert a picture on the screen on which Tresemme I use. It's the Flawless Curls, or either the one that I think is the keratin one, because I'm a straight natural. If you're not a straight natural, you're a curly natural, use the Flawless Curls. If you're a straight natural, you get perms, use the one with keratin. Yeah. I haven't been wearing my hair, though. I will say that. So, hairstyles I've been wearing. One of them up here hung up. I had a quick weave, short quick weave, where I just left my edges out. I just feel like it's going to be pictures on the screen. So, I had that like 2 weeks after I cut my hair into that bob. I was over it at that point. I was like, who told me to cut my hair? So I went to that and I loved it, and I wore that for like a month. And then I got knotless braids. I literally took my hair down, washed it, and got my hair done the same day, because the girl had posted a sale. She was like $120, hair included, any size, any length, knotless. Girl, come on. And any color, come on. So I went and got them knotless, and I kept them in for about a month up until my birthday. And then a couple days before my birthday, I did this quick weave. And I just had that in up until Christmas Day. I took it out. So it was in for about a month. And then I took it out and I washed and flat ironed my hair. So for the past like week or so, I've been wearing my hair in this silk press. So yeah, let me know if y'all got any more questions down below. Yeah, like I just said, it's almost 2 in the morning. 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, one of them times in the morning. I can't even tell because I'm recording on my phone, because ain't no way I was going in that room to get the camera. I'm gonna wrap my hair right now, so that's what prompted me to think about this video. And comment down below if you guys have any questions. Let me know if you can tell the difference in my haircut. Do it like it grew a little bit or a lot bit? Because I don't know, because some days I keep feeling like it's a little bit, but then everybody keep telling me I'm delusional, it grew a lot big. So yeah, let me know. But let me get undressed and go relax, and I will see you guys in the next freaking video.